Hello viewers, how are you? Welcome to my GIS Knowledge Lab. Today we learned how to import a Excel file in ArcGIS. That means how to open a Excel file in ArcGIS and how to create a shapefile from this Excel file. I already prepared a Excel file for this purpose. This is my Excel file. There are 5 columns: station name, station ID, latitude, longitude, and the total rainfall of June 2026. So at first we open Arcmap, then we open a polygon feature in this interface. For this I click Add button, then select the location of my shapefile and click here. Then it is open in this interface. Then we add our Excel file also. For that we click Add button, then we select the path where my Excel file was, then I select Observatory 43 and click Add button, and again I select my Excel sheet Observatory 43 and click again Add. Then this Excel file was added in the table of contents window, this one. Actually it is the temporary file. In this file we add the point data and create point shapefile. So that we go to this file and click right button and click display XY data. Now we get a new dialog box. So in X field we select the longitude and in Y field we select the latitude. After that we select the geographical coordinate system. In here I already selected this. If you have not selected this coordinate system, then you go to edit button, then you click geographical coordinate system and click world and click WGS 1984, then click OK and again click OK and click OK and finally you click OK. So all the point shape file is creating in this map. You saw in my Excel file I was created 43 points. So all the points is showing in this map. Now we saw the attribute table of Observatory 43 events files. So I click right button and open attribute table. Then you saw there are no data in here. So now we import all of the data from our original Excel file. For this we go to the file and click right button, then click data and click export data. Then one new dialog box is coming here. Now we select the location of the folder. So go to browser and I select the folder name is YouTube and I give the file name in name box. So my file name is, I write here test Excel. So I click save and again I click OK and I click yes. So you saw in table of contents one export file is coming. Now I click the right button and I open attribute table. Here you saw all the data is showing in this attribute table. Actually in this process I will finish to import Excel file. I hope you like my video. Then subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching my video.